Now you might be wondering why on earth this is helpful at all. Well, remember what we're trying to do here. Since we can't factor this expression, we need a different way to find the x-intercepts. Here we can tell that we're getting close to being able to do that. At some point we'll want to set y equal to 0, and now we only have x written in one spot in our equation rather than in two. We know how to take square roots, so I feel like we're getting pretty close. At this point we need to think about the difference of squares again. Remember that if we have a squared minus b squared, we can factor this as a minus b times a plus b. Here we have one term that's clearly squared, so maybe we can use this technique to help us out. Now 6 doesn't look like a squared number, but that doesn't really matter. We can still, of course, take the square root of 6 and get a number. It may not be an integer, but it is a real number. What I'd like you to do now is, keeping all of that in mind, write out the two factors in this form that we have coming from this expression right here. This is going to look pretty different from anything we've worked with before, and you may not think it looks very pretty, but just go with it. This is going to be super, super useful in everything we have coming up.